In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Chrome Canvas drawing app. This simple yet versatile app is perfect for sketching, doodling, or creating detailed artwork right in your browser. Whether you're an experienced artist or just wanting to explore your creative side, this tool is intuitive and easy to use. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser and type in canvas.apps.chrome. This will take you directly to the Google Chrome Canvas homepage, where you'll find the option to jump into a new creative endeavor with the app. Once you're there, you'll need to click the plus new drawing button, conveniently located to guide you into starting with a fresh, blank canvas. This is your opportunity to unleash your creativity in a clutter-free digital workspace. Next, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbox, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This toolbox is your arsenal of artistic tools, each designed to offer a variety of textures and finishes to your drawing. In this toolbox, you'll find basic options such as a pencil, pen, marker, chalk, and an eraser. Each tool is crafted to mimic its real-world counterpart, giving you familiar control and results as you draw. Customizing your tools is key to getting the most out of your drawing experience. To start, if you want to change the color of your tool, simply click the black circle to open up the color palette. There's a spectrum of colors to choose from, so take your time to find one that suits your creative vision. Furthermore, if the thickness or lightness of your strokes needs adjusting, click on the pen icon with a colored triangle. This will give you control over how bold or subtle you want your lines to be, offering greater precision to suit your artistic needs. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to start drawing. Whether you're using a mouse, trackpad, touchscreen, or stylus, the app is designed to respond fluidly to your input method, ensuring a seamless drawing experience. Don't worry about making mistakes. The app makes creativity less stressful with an undo arrow located at the top of the screen. A single click will undo your last move, allowing for experimentation without fear. Lastly, let's talk about saving your work. One of the great features of Google Chrome Canvas is it automatically saves your drawings to your Google account, so your progress is never lost. However, if you'd like to manually download a copy of your masterpiece, head back to the Canvas homepage. Find the three dots on your drawing, click them, and select Save as Image to keep a local copy of your creation. And there you have it, a simple guide to using Google Chrome Canvas drawing app. I hope you enjoy exploring your creativity with this wonderful tool.